Now is Christian Kangro, who is the founder and CEO of Change Bank.
Change in 5 years, it will be one of the leading banks in the world if the crypto grows.
CEO Christian Kangro.
Hello to everybody who's watching. My name is Christian. I'm the CEO of Change. This is Q1 2019 update. Change is a leading blockchain company in the Nordic countries, and I would say one of the most successful crowdfunding companies out there. We were literally born on the internet. We are a social experiment, and what you are watching today is kind of the update how this social experiment is going. You see our successes, our struggles, you give us feedback, but most importantly, together we will leave behind a legacy, a world that will be different once we're done. Please read the legal disclaimer before going on with the presentation as well. We are slowly but surely leaving a dent in the world. We have 33,000 app downloads and 5.4 thousand customer accounts. We have investors from each of the European Union countries, what we're really proud of. We have overperforming our weekly goal to grow 6% week on week. And most importantly, we just started shipping our first batches of the cards, what will hopefully spur our company growth even further. I think our initial launch has been that successful because the investment industry really is broken. It has not been built for the normal people like you and me. It has been built for the professionals. It requires really high minimum balances. Investing is super complicated, and most importantly, it is very, very expensive. For most popular cryptocurrency apps like Coinbase and Revolut, you pay between 1 to 1.5% just to invest. Imagine every $100 going to the company what price the service. We have done a lot of research and user interviews to validate this problem, and people are screaming for a commission-free solution. You can find more information about the problem from independent third-party research in Appendix 1 at the end of this presentation. To be honest, we did not really understand how big this problem was before we got started, and we're really glad that we can be part of being a solution to this problem. So what we are a commission-free, easy investment app. In the last presentation, we also demoed you how easy it is to buy cryptocurrencies with it. Currently, you can invest in Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Ripple, and many other cryptocurrencies are following suit. We are currently working on acquiring investment firm partnership as well to be able to provide you equities like Netflix, Facebook, Google. Hopefully, we can provide this to you at the end of the year. Obviously, we have a demo for you this time around as well, a new product release. Our goal at Change is to make the hurdle to investing as small as possible, so it's easy, it's commission-free, and now we've launched the Visa card that will have your investment account at your fingertips. So basically, you don't need to wait for 2 to 3 days to liquidate. I'm proud to present you this video from Vinay from our team, who was working in the card team.
Yeah, like if it's under 10 euros, then
Will it actually work? Will it really work?
boom! So was it useful?
Yeah, it's yours.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Vinay, I'm so proud of you, bro. Like, this coffee tastes a lot better than any other coffee I've had in this world.
Of course, we have built our product on the most modern tech stack possible. We're using Flutter for Android and iOS applications and Kotlin for the backend. You can check out the details in Appendix 2 at the end of the presentation to learn more about it. In addition to the premium plan that includes the card, we also started working on the marketplace. Blockchain technology has this amazing potential to democratize access to instruments that are not normally available for everyday investors like you and me. Imagine acquiring 1% in a high-growth startup or a small or medium-sized enterprise. Imagine owning alpha percent in a Picasso painting or 0.1% of a villa in Bali. Our team cannot wait to start validating these different asset classes and bringing this alternative marketplace to you. The first investment opportunity will be Change's own equity-like token. Hereby, we're proud to announce that it will already start trading in January 2020, and from that point onwards, anybody can take part of Change's growth story. So why are we building these products? We are on a mission Our mission as a tech company is to inflict positive change to millions of people through technology, especially blockchain technology. But specifically what we do, we enable anybody to take part in the world's success. We enable anyone to be an investor. Why? Money loses 2% of the value every year, whereas 500 largest US companies make 10% return because they're successful. So why do people hold cash when it loses value, when there's so much success in the world what you can be part of? This is because investing is perceived to be expensive, difficult, and they think it requires a significant capital to get started. We measure our success and whether this mission is successful by asking ourselves two questions. How much money have people made because they invested with our app? How much fees have they saved because they invested with our app? And if answers to these two questions are significant numbers, then we think we are successful in our mission. The market for this is really big. Change was started in Singapore. We moved our entire team to Europe because the market opportunity is 100 times bigger. There are over 100 million millennials in Europe. That is our primary target group. According to a study from ING, 9% of Europeans already own cryptocurrency. 25% are expected to own cryptocurrency in the future, and 66% of Europeans have already heard of cryptocurrency. And obviously the equity markets are even bigger. The direct online investment market is $1 trillion. Just to give a sense how big this is, this is around 5 million Lamborghini cars, or 100 times the Estonian state budget. Our last funding round gives us a chance to challenge the big boys. In crypto space, our biggest differentiator is that we have a freemium offering, so there is no commission approach, whereas Revolut or Coinbase cost 1 to 1.5% respectively. Furthermore, we have already a live Visa card, and we will be launching stocks in the future as well. Also, we can already feel the benefits from being crowdfunded. Our community is spreading the word that increases our organic growth, and from 1st of January, our own token, equity-like token, will be trading in our application. Our business model is built to maximize growth and only charge people who really enjoy our product. We're currently charging €1 per month for the premium plan subscription that includes the Visa card and unlimited trades. We anticipate this fee increasing once we add more features, and benchmarking to our competitors in Europe and US, we can confidently say that increasing the premium plan fee is feasible. According to our analysis of the European retail investment market, there are 57 million people in our target segment. That makes our yearly addressable market around 1.1 billion euros. We are an incredibly proud team in terms of what we ship and how we operate. Our teams are very result-driven and decentralized. We have a very entrepreneurial team, and most people in our team have startup experience. We have 11 different nationalities, and the only thing what unites us is this obsession to make an impact in the world. There are many things that we've already accomplished as a team, like acquiring the required licensing for cryptocurrency trading and wallets, launching both Android and iOS applications, launching Visa cards, and raising significant capital. But the road ahead will not be easy, and we will need to acquire investment firm license as well to fully execute the business plan. We need to launch the tokenization marketplace, and we significantly need to scale up our user base. In 2021, we will probably need to raise a new round of funding as well. Most importantly, we survived the crypto winter, so now we believe we can survive anything. Actions speak louder than words, and you can see from Appendix 3 at the end of this presentation that most of our features promised in the crowdfunding is already completed. First thing you see when you look at these numbers is exponential growth, especially in the first quarter of 2019. Our user counts have increased 575%. Furthermore, we aim to ship 1,000 cards in the second quarter. So if you're in the waiting list, you will surely receive your card soon as well. Last year, we made 181,000 euros revenue from mostly financial investments, and this will surely be increasing this year because of the launch of the premium cards. As of March 2019, Change's funding remains 11.3 million euros, with around 1 million euros still in the crypto assets. Currently, our runway, calculated as the total funding over the last month's cost, is 21 quarters, and the next funding round, as mentioned before, is in 2021. Please also check Appendix 5 and 6 at the end of this presentation to see the monthly cost breakdown and also more information about what are the exact crypto assets what we're holding. Of course, our legal entity, the Torgneser Kautsel, has been fully audited. More info about this in Appendix 4 at the end of this presentation. In general, talking about our plans, we aim to scale to around 25 people in 2019, and we believe we should hire around 85 people to get to this 1 million active user mark. Also, on CNG tokens, we have attached the valuation table in Appendix 7 at the end of this presentation, where you can see and track our user numbers compared to competitors and have an indication about the valuation of the company. Obviously, Change is a respected company that has been in major publications around the world. This is a strong validation for our concept, and we will continue to spread our mission in the future as well. We have created a dedicated investor page for crowdfunding investors at getchange.com/investor. Also, we would like to ask your feedback and your criticisms and your suggestions at getchange.com/opinion. I would like to wrap up this presentation for the first quarter of 2019 with the following. We as a Change team and you as a community, we have an amazing opportunity to leave behind a legacy to actually have an impact in the world. I believe that working together, we can fulfill this mission. Let's enable anybody to take part in the world's success. Let's enable anybody to be an investor.